Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So maybe let's start with the customization. We have to open the settings, and here let's scroll to find display and brightness. Now let's localize eye comfort and tap on it. First of all, we have to tap on, for example, enable all day, which is a manual option to turn on and off the eye comfort. And thanks to it, we can open or activate the filter level. By going to the left with this switcher, we can make it a little bit cooler, and by going to the right, a little bit warmer. And thanks to this, basically, your device will filter the blue light, so it will be easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. You can also schedule that feature. Just by tapping on this switcher at the top, and you can either you can choose the start and the end time just by swiping, and your device will apply the eye comfort accordingly. So it's up to you which option you prefer. I prefer the manual option, to be honest. And now I can show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, and let's localize the eye comfort icon. As you can see, it is right here. Currently it is turned on, so you can tap on it to turn it off and tap on it to turn it on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.